CAD-based renders of the Google Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, and Pixel 10 Pro XL surfaced last month, revealing their designs. Now, we are looking at the Google Pixel 10 Pro Folds renders, which show us what Google's 2025 foldable will look like. The Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold looks similar to its predecessor, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and while the video shared by the source doesn't show us the Pixel 10 Pro Fold in a folded state, it claims that the smartphone, when unfolded, will be 0.2 mm thicker than the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Its dimensions are reported to be about 155.2 by 150.4 by 5.3 mm versus Pixel 9 Pro Fold's 155.2 by 150.2 by 5.1 mm when unfolded, but they could still be the same when the phone launches. We don't have the full spec sheet of the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold, but rumors claim the smartphone will come with the Tensor G5 SoC, 16 GB RAM, and 256 GB per 512 GB storage. It's expected to launch in August alongside the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, and Pixel 10 Pro XL.